Torrential rainfall led to the rescue or evacuation of 160 people trapped in homes and buildings. Fire brigade teams worked tirelessly to save people from slopes and low-lying areas. Over 200 firefighters and officers have been deployed across the city for rescue operations. Authorities are working around the clock to ensure everyone's safety during this emergency. Efforts continue as the fire brigade monitors and responds to ongoing challenges caused by heavy rain. Torrential rainfall